coming from here.
Okay.
Okay, and there is a buffle inside. So why there is a buffle? Because it will avoid high velocity flows. So wastewater will be coming like this, and it will be hitting in the buffle, and slowly it will go there inside. And the grease separator will be always filled with water, always, all the time. Why it is filled with water? Because how we are separating grease and sludge? Just gravity. There is nothing. Just
So
gravity
the
principle.
heavy weight will go down and the water
And
will be on top.
Water will be in the middle, and there will be lighter thing, grease.
Lighter.
Grease and oil is lighter than water, so it will go on the top. And same principle applies in the outlet also. There is a buffle here. Okay, from this buffle, the water will be going to the outlet from here. Even though outlet is here, externally outlet is here. So automatically we will think the level should be here, the outlet level should be here.
Okay.
But it is not the case. The outlet level will be somewhere here. Why? Why the outlet is here? Because we need to have some grease. We need to have some grease storage space.
Okay.
Okay, so this area will be utilized as grease storage. Okay, and in the bottom sludge will be there. Sludge means always, sometimes you are washing the plate, some rice will be there, some maybe bone or whatever it is, all the waste.
Heavy material.
Not heavy, yeah, we can call it heavy. Comparing to water, heavy material, for sure it will be downside. Sometimes some small beans, heavy, whatever it is. You know, you can assume what when we are washing the plates, what it will be there. And in other ways, and okay, so grease separation is taking place slowly by slowly. Water is coming slowly, and sludge is going down slowly, grease is going up slowly. Okay, and we added a sensor here. The sensor is a sonic control sensor. It is connected to the control panel. Okay, and it will give you a signal that okay, grease is full here, you have to do the disposal. And it will give you two alarms, one pre-alarm and another one actual alarm. Why pre-alarm? Let's say this is the outlet. Once the grease level is still here, it will give you pre-alarm. Okay, so that you will have enough buffer time to call the truck or facility manager, whoever it is, laborers, you can arrange everything. So by this time, once the pre-alarm is there, you have to call the tanker, disposal tanker, or the guys, technicians, or whoever it is, and do the disposal. Do not wait for the actual alarm. If the actual alarm is there, grease will go to our submersible pump, this pit. Okay, so we need to avoid it. That's it. Now we will go to the cleaning. In a simple way, it's little bit complex it seems, but actually what it is, let's say we have a bucket or whatever, and we are filling it with water. As we told earlier, it is always filled with water. So just imagine this bucket is filled with water all the time. We are adding some curry, randomly we are adding some curry because we are simulating this situation, grease separator situation. This curry, this food waste, everything will be there. Keep it for. So how we will clean it without any detergent or without any chemicals? We cannot just throw it outside, or we cannot just suck the contents outside. Bucket will not be clean, or grease will not be clean, because grease will be in the internal walls. So how we will clean it? First of all, we will agitate it little bit. Correct? Using a stick or something, we have to agitate it.
So we will open this mouth and we have to mix or what?
No. This we will go to that point. So in this situation, we have to do the mixing here. Okay. For that mixing, we are using the pump. It is kind of a circulation. It is added with a macerating blade, so that sometimes disposable spoon or something will go inside, bones will go inside, heavy particles like skin or the heavy fat, sometimes it will go inside. So we need to have a macerator here, cutting blade.
Okay.
So it will mix everything inside. And at the time of mixing all the sludge, you can see the shape. It is kind of a wedge. So the heavy sludge will be exactly in the inlet of the pump. Exactly here.
Here, huh?
Yeah, here. Okay. So at the time of circulation, it will circulate everything for 4 or 5 minutes depending upon the size. For this particular model, for each and every particular model, we preset all the timings, and it is already calculated and designed from the factory.
Mixing is automatic, we have to operate the
All automatic. Everything is automatic. What you have to do when you have the alarm, just come here, press the switch, start button, the control button. We will go to that.
Okay.
Okay. And the most important thing, actually, you don't have to hear all the stories and theories, and you just have to make sure when the alarm is there, hold the tanker, make sure the tanker is connected. This is the most important step.
The outside, on the
Outside. It is the most important step. You don't need to learn all these techniques or grease or anything. The only important thing, connect the tanker first, then start it. Because in many sites, we are giving extensive training in government project, classroom training, presentation, all these things. But in the end, what they will do? Whenever there is alarm, they will automatically press the switch. Then it will be a big mess. Because believe me, this is worse than septic tank. Okay, because just imagine you are keeping some dishes for 1 month, how the smell will be. So the same thing. So the most important thing, you have to connect to the truck, then start it. Okay, and upon starting, it will be 13 step. Okay, 13 step means first we need to, for sure we know that we need to mix. But for the mixing, if it is full, we are mixing, it will go to the submersible or something. So to avoid this, we will do the disposal first. So let's say 25% it will dispose. So the time of mixing,
How we know the 25%?
all are automatic. All are automatic.
Okay, so there is
Yeah.
25% is
Yes, from the control panel. You don't have to do anything. All automatic. And not from our factory or not according to our experience, it's according to European law, EN 1825. So there are preset parameters and according to the sizing, there are certain timings, there are certain procedures. So we are just following them. Okay. So first step, partial disposal. So at the time of mixing, nothing will go away. Second step, after mixing, we will dispose again to the tank. Then after that, we will fill it with water. All are automatic. Fill it with the hot water actually. So hot water, why? Because in cold times, here it is kind of okay, but in Europe, most of the time it will be rock solid. So we need to have efficient cleaning. So rock water will make sure that the grease is not thick and solid. Okay. So hot water will come, again we will do the mixing. Because we have hot water now, we need to do the mixing. After mixing, again disposal. After disposal, again refilling with hot water. Okay. We will repeat the step 3 times. Okay, and after all this thing, it will be clean. Around 75 to 80% it will be clean. And why we are doing this splashing in the pump 3 times? After first 1 time or 2 times, it should be clean. This grease and salt will be gone. But at the time of mixing, all the grease and waste will be in the internal tanks. So just to clean, we are doing 2 times additional. So it will be with almost clean water, not clean water, almost clean water. So there will not be any heavy accumulation in the tank, inside the tank.
This is MOPH requirement.
And in the end, it will be filled with water again, cold water. That's it. Because I told you in the beginning that it should be filled with water all the time, 100% of the time. Why we need to have separation? Through gravity only. That's it. Okay. So why we are adding this system here? Because first of all, it is in the RAM, in the driveway. So if you are opening this, the smell will be horrible and the smell will be here for 2-3 days. And we have to have a truck here, spillage will be there. But using this system, you will not have any kind of smell and you don't have to open this cover. Okay, so completely waterproof, hygiene is 100% guaranteed. And the other thing, instead of waiting for alarm, what you can do is simply just check here what is the level.
No, from here.
Yeah, from here. It's kind of a wiper you can show because after some time grease will be in this window. So if you want to wipe
So
it,
there
wipe
it will be show the level of the grease, yellow color.
It will, kind of it will show the level. Okay, so if let's say if the grease yellow color or orange color it is going down, it's danger. You have to do the disposal immediately because we don't know the sensor, all are electronics. We don't know when it will get damaged. So you have to do it from here also. Manually also. Okay. So that's it. And do a routine checkup of, let's say, every week. Just come here, just check everything. The cover, someone, maybe we don't know. In many cases, people will be standing here and making phone
That
calls
we have daily checklist.
Okay, no problem. So just what you have to check, just check, make sure all the time it is closed to avoid the smell. Because many times it is kind of we can play it here. So people will come here and they will see whenever they are in control, they will find something to play it with. So just make sure everything is there, water supply is there, it is filled with water, no leak, that's it. So this is the thing.
Any average idea in how many days it will be full or it depends on the operation?
Depends on operation. But actually you have to do it every month. Irrespective of operation, you have to do it every month.
Every month.
Every month.
Because we have twice a month in cleaning. Maybe we can.
twice a
2
month,
times.
better, very good, better.
So we need to clean that grease trap also, which the water is going there.
No, that's going in the
Grease trap something.
This is sewage.
sewage.
It's going to sewage tank. Okay. So it will be like sewage. Waste will go
Waste will go, okay, there is submersible will go, okay, there
to
will-
automatically it will go down.
It will go to the authority, means this.
Direct.
Yes, direct.
Okay.
submersible.
I don't think
So
so. That one.
once you have the alarm, what you have to do is just come here and press start. If I am pressing start, it will start disposing. So I'm not pressing start, and so what you have to do, come here, press start, but make sure the truck is connected. Now truck is not connected, so I'm not starting. Start, then press OK. OK. If you're pressing OK, it will start automatically. Then no need to do anything. Just stand here if you want, and just to check if there is any issues or problems or water leakage or something. Okay, and you can see from the panel itself there is no layer now, grease layer now, so it is 0. You can see here. Okay, if the
Layer thickness.
yeah,
Okay.
layer thickness. If it is, let's say, 10 centimeter, it will show 10 centimeter, and temperature 25 degrees Celsius. If it is more than 50, it will give an alarm. Okay, why it is giving alarm? Because
50
the body
centi. 50 centi.
50 degree for the temperature.
Oh, temperature.
Yeah, temperature.
The
The thickness will be preset. Actually, it might be 23 if I'm not mistaken. It's already tested and preset. Let me check how much it is. It is already set from the factory actually. No, it is set from the factory. We cannot access it because we don't have to change it. So in many cases, people are coming here and changing because they don't want to do the disposal frequently. So we avoided it here. I think it is 23 centimeter.
Okay.
Okay. So that's it. I will show you the steps actually. It is the manual operation. Actually, if you are doing the automatic operation, it will be in 1 hour. As I told you, 13 steps. First is partial disposal.
Okay.
It will dispose. Then mixing. This mixing I can show it to you. We'll turn it on. Manually we'll turn it on. Now the pump will work. You can see the mixing now. So what is happening now? There is an actuator here. So
How is mixing?
now you can see
Down motor and
okay. And this is actuator, because for the efficiency we added only one pump, and it is small tank. So we added only one pump, and this actuator will make sure in the programming if it is mixing, actuator will be here. So it will be only rotating. If it is disposal, actuator will go to here. Yeah, so it will go.
It's all automatically.
Everything. So next will be refilling. Okay, so I'm just showing it to you how it will be working. All these things will be automatic.
now is hot water or cold water?
It should be hot water, but I'm not sure if
Okay,
they
that
turn
will
on
be later on, no problem.
Yeah, and there is a timer. So see, you can see the timer running, and it will be turned off automatically once it reach 4 minutes 26 seconds.
Okay.
Okay. And next step, mixing because we added hot water.
Okay.
And again disposal, pump it
Okay.
outside. Then next step will be refilling again. See, refilling.
Okay.
Hot water. Then again rinsing. I told you in the first step it will be mixing, then it will be just for rinsing because we need to wash it actually.
Yeah, if anything is there.
Yeah,
like,
so that's what step is actually saying,
Okay,
just
okay.
circulation, but we call it rinsing. Then disposal, then refilling, then again rinsing, means the same mixing procedure but with fresh water. Then disposal, then final step is refilling.
Okay.
Okay, refilling why? Because this final step will be long, 31 minutes.
Okay.
Because we need to make sure that it is filled with water
Okay.
for the separation process to take place. That's it. And all this 13 step, you can see this 13 step. First partial disposal, mixing, disposal, refill, mixing, all the steps, all this 13 step will be automatic.
Okay.
This just for the testing purpose we added it manually.
Okay.
If you are pressing automatic, all the steps will be automatically starting. See, you can see the mixing. There is a timer of 5 minutes.
Okay.
Once this 5-minute timer is done, it will go automatically to the next one. Next
Okay.
one means disposal. Then disposal, there is a timer of 2 minutes. After that, it will go to refilling.
So if you
everything.
calculate this 13 stage, it will come 35 minutes, right?
Okay.
No, it will be total approximately 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah. So first 2-3 times you have to stay here just to see what is happening. Then after that, you don't have to do anything. Even the truck driver.